start. Here is the unboxing of the Bud Plus. I purchased this from the Samsung store. Got it at discounted price of around 3,999 because of purchase of Samsung Galaxy S20. I'll do the unboxing. I received the courier. So let us see what is there. We have the box here, little box. Here is the wrapper. I had to remove. I need to bring stock for the one. I just bought the knife and opened the box. I have the bill over here, invoice, and here is the real Samsung Galaxy Buds, Bud Plus. This is the second generation Bud. So first we had Samsung Galaxy Bud, and now Samsung Galaxy Bud Plus. We'll see what is there inside the box. First it is the seal. We have to remove this. Yeah, I removed. Now I'll get the buds inside. There is also a seal. Open the seal. So these are the buds. Here is the beautiful case. This is the case, and inside we have the buds. Let us keep it there and see what is else. We have the USB Type-C charger and different ear tips to suit your ears. That's all we have the unboxing here. I will let you know how is the review of this Galaxy Bud Plus in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit like and share it. Thank you very much.